Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Go Guzzle Gone. And currently I am in Seychelles. मेरी हंसी पे मत जाओ. We were about to go already, but one of our colleague has ditched us, and she was the one who was supposed to drive us to different places. So we are plenty of us. My mafia is right here. Drama देखा drama इन सबों का. And then we have another set of beautiful girls over here. Tagalog Mafia Philippines and Korea. She's gonna get a lot of love from India. I know that because we're crazy for Korean K-pop culture. And that's Marco. I'm not gonna disturb him because he's gonna kill me. We are trying to arrange for another vehicle so that we can leave already. And now यही होता है, मतलब बड़ी बड़ी बातें और वड़ा पाव खाते. Over commitment, under deliver. This is very very bad. कुछ लोगों की वजह से हमारा फटका लगने वाला है. So basically 60 euros is a car renting and total 90 euros because 30 euros now we have to pay for that driver. But beggars are not choosers, right? And this is how I realize that driving is so much importance. Driving crazy is not good enough. Driving a car, she's on the way already, right?
I'm on the way.
अंकिता करेगी drive?
मैं कर सकती हूँ, भरोसा कर लो मेरे पे.
हनुमान चालीसा याद है. So my folks are collecting towels over here because क्या पता कल हो ना, मजाक करियो, बीच में पानी में उतर सकते हैं, so that's why. And I'm all set to take my towel as well. Let's go. Finally we figured out, we sorted it out. So we are pretty much on the way now. Don't ask me where are we going first. Once we arrive, then would be the decision making, and then we shall let you know. This is how beautiful Seychelles is. It's literally picture perfect. बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि you are just walking through the pages of the book. Okay, so thankfully we have got him. Whatever happens, happens for the best. He has stopped us on the nice viewpoint, which I will show you now. Basically, you can see entire Seychelles city from here. And अब आए हैं तो पूरा लूट के जाएंगे. और हमारी दूसरी कार भी ये. Oh, lot of glamour in my vlog today. Lot of glamour. Very nice. Look at this, guys. This is the view. I told you, it's like a postcard. See, लोग यहाँ पे आके फोटोज वगैरह भी ले रहे हैं. Very very pretty, very. दिख रहा है जहाँ पे Seychelles collaborating with India और उसका एडवर्टीजमेंट लगा है. हमने तुरंत देखा और मैंने सोचा आपको बता दिया जाए कि हम यहाँ पे पहुँच चुके हैं. So let's visit Seychelles as well. Yes, sir. You were saying something?
Those buses in India moved to Seychelles.
So, like you said, in India was funding something.
It was a funding for the Seychelles government.
Oh, okay. So we have a good relations with India over here.
Relationship, yeah, bilateral relationship.
Some nice thing we are doing in life. I know it's going to be our next Maldives. Oh, sorry, next Lakshadweep. What is this behavior, Pooja? बाप रे से चावल ही लपेट. It's not demure. Not at all demure, babe. What is this? Not very demure. So right now we have come to Four Seasons Hotel over here, which is one of the best properties in Seychelles, and we are going to utilize the beach over here in this particular property. Why? Because as per the legality in Seychelles, all the beach entries are free, and one of the nicest beach is in Four Seasons. So that is the reason we all have come here. Marco has gone to get something to drink because no beverages are alcohol, even or alcoholic beverages are available over here. So ऐसा नहीं है कि हम नशेड़ी हैं, but थोड़ा बहुत तो chill करना सबका बनता है. And we're just taking the, like, how you call it, a band, so that they know that we have entered, and when we exit we have to return the band. So let's get this done, sorted. You've given me a reason I should vlog, I swear. पर छाता छतरी सब लेकर आई है ये लड़की हमारी. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? पहाड़ों पे जाने वाले थे. मतलब कुछ भी मतलब कुछ भी हो जाता, आंधी आए, तूफान आए या अंबर झुक जाए, हम तो जाएंगे। मैंने अंकिता की फोटो खींची। अंकिता कहती है यार क्या फोटो ली। मैंने कहा काश आई वुड हैव सेड द सेम थिंग। इज अ बीच फॉर 4 सीजन्स। क्या गजोधरपन है, हटो यहाँ से नालायक। हाँ, look at this, so beautiful, very demure, and we have got few mazdoors also. चलो हम प्रोसीड कर रहे हैं अब इसी बीच की तरफ। दो मस्ताने चल जिंदगी बनाने, बंद सयाने और नाम के दीवार, किसी हसीना से महाजुबीना से, हे भगवान। यहाँ के बीचेस पे आने के लिए आपको बीच चप्पल्स की नहीं, आपको जिम शूज की जरूरत है। Look at the way it's too stony, so you have to get stone. Oh shit, I cannot put this. क्या रास्ता है यार, चलो how we gonna go? चलो मजदूर लोग तो उतर जाएंगे। हम लोग कैसे उतरे? बट मेंटेन अ ग्रिप। हाँ, बहुत ही ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है, थोड़ा सा ध्यान से। माँ कसम, बाप रे। सावधानी हटी, दुर्घटना घटी। And this is an entry to the beach, and this is how pretty. थोड़ा सा ग्लैमर का भी नजारा, and here we go, so beautiful. So we all have nicely settled in here, and Marco is giving us some retreats because we need to be hydrated as well. हमने अपनी छोटी सी दुनिया बसा लिया यहाँ पे। हम सारे यहाँ पे, and पानी tides so high। वैसे तो I'm not a very पानी में going वाला person, but थोड़ा तो chill करेंगे और भीग जाएंगे क्योंकि समंदर में नहा के हम और भी नमकीन। और यहाँ पे मेन काम हो रहा है हमारा जो है चिल मारना, एंड जस्ट टू हैव। थैंक यू मार्को, ऑफिशियली थैंक्स। He is the man.
So we have basically 45 minutes to explore this beach area. तो मैंने सोचा अब इतना दूर आए हैं, मेहनत किया है, तो थोड़ा सा हम बीच कवर कर लेते हैं, फोटोज ले लेते हैं। Guys, we all need to click a thumbnail together. In whatever outfits you will be comfortable, let's do it, okay? Not now. Whenever you will be comfortable, let's do it. And beach is beautiful. I cannot stay away from water anymore, so I'm gonna jump in. Let's go.
जन्मों के साथ ही हम साथ साथ हैं।
I know, yeah. We're like sisters. I know, that's what I was looking at the camera trying to say.
यार
मैं गिरी हूँ बहुत तेज फोटो खिंचाने के चक्कर में। देखो कंटेंट क्रिएशन के नतीजे पे क्या क्या होता है। बहुत तेज गिर, पूरा आउटफिट मेरा भीग गया है क्योंकि मैं रेडी नहीं थी पानी में जाने के लिए। बट इट्स ओके, आई थिंक द वाटर कॉल्ड मी, सो दिस इज हाउ नेचर्स वे ऑफ कॉलिंग मी। बाकी आई थिंक गिरने वाली वीडियो इन्होंने रिकॉर्ड करी है तो वो मैं डाल दूंगी आपको। बहुत ही फुद्दू तरीके से गिरी हूँ मैं, मतलब गलत तरीके से। ऑलराइट गाइस, क्या बोल रही है? बिफोर आफ्टर कर लें? लंका लग गई है, हमें बहुत लंबा क्लाइंब करना है। हम 4 सीजन से निकल रहे हैं, हम जा रहे हैं दूसरी जगह पे जो पहुंच के आपको बताते हैं। 10,000 स्टेप्स हो चुके हैं आज के। माय गॉड, गिर के मेरी चोट भी लगी बाय द वे, जस्ट टू लेट यू नो। इजी नहीं है, इजी लगता है मोहिनी का डांस, इजी नहीं है।
Okay guys, so we have again spotted a spot wherein there is beautiful ocean behind us, and we are going to click a nice picture over here. And also the thumbnail which you're seeing right now is from here, so let's do it. Such a view, including Ankita. Very nice view. It's pretty. Let's try to wrap it up fast and get out of here so that we can take you to the second destination. Alright, so we have come to another beautiful beach in Seychelles. But अभी मुझे नाम मत पूछो, मैं आपको बताती हूँ because Marco is the one who has planned the entire trip for us. मुझे पता नहीं क्यों इतनी नींद आ रही है. It doesn't happen to me a lot, and they are here. Say hi. Mariko, what is the name of the beach? Bubalon, that's the one I was talking about, guys. Craving for coffee, so let's try to have some coffee, please. Shop where we're going to just try to get some coffee, and these are the boys who are playing loud music and having fun. One thing I've observed about this place is everybody is so much into fitness, which I rarely see around the world, which is a great thing. And I would like to give a thumbs up for fitness level in Seychelles. Keep going, keep making yourself and each other's proud, because fitness is something very rare, and I'm so glad to see it in this part of the world. Mind you guys, samosa has reached Seychelles. Clearly I can see, like, matlab, we have come too far by the way. Since I was already dying with the sleep, I've got some coffee here, some samosa and the muffin, and my girls are still buying their stuff, and then the sunset is about to happen. It's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna go and watch the sunset and have my needful. Until here, if you're watching me and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Like, really, please subscribe. Go Ghazal Gone, guys. Please, एक अच्छे independent content को promote करो, और प्लीज यार सब्सक्राइब कर दो, लाइक कर दो, बहुत मैटर करता है. शेयर करो in your family groups, because I make very friendly and family oriented content, and all this while I was doing all this brand collaborations etc. So ज़्यादा content नहीं आ पा रहा था, but now finally I'm back to my niche, which is making content with the crew. And please don't forget to give your like, subscribe and support, and follow me on Instagram. So we have come to one of the very famous restaurant in Seychelles, Baobab Pizza Menu. This is the one, and if you're coming, like, you can see the sunset is right around here. But since we are too many, we couldn't get the table over there. It's already a prior reservation, so I would recommend you, if you have a reservation, it is better to watch a sunset and enjoy your pizza or pasta. They have some extensive menu as well with some great price, and of course it's not a sponsored video. It's coming out of all the genuine that I do not promote anything which I don't feel it's right and safe for you all to have it. So we have ordered some food now. It's time to enjoy. After having the pizza, we all came back to the hotel, guys, and I almost forgot that I was vlogging, and it was pitch dark night as well. I'm so sorry, I was so tired, I totally forgot about it. But if you did like this video, and if you have watched my vlog until here, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Do follow me on Instagram, and I also do podcast on Spotify. Don't forget to check my content out there as well. All the link is in the description. Lots of love from Seychelles, and go Ghazal Gone!